Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your VH1 account. So, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Okay, first of all, open up a web browser of your choice and type in www.vh1.com and press enter on your keyboard. After pressing enter on your keyboard, as you can see, this is our official web page. You can scroll down this web page to investigate this web page. Let's scroll up. To activate your VH1 account, open up a web browser and write in www.vh1.com/activate and press enter on your keyboard. As you can see, this is our activate page. Enter the code over here, as you can see, and then click continue button, and that's it guys. That is how it can be easily done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.